God sees you. Right where you are, in this exact moment, He sees you. This video appearing in your feed is not a coincidence. It is a divine appointment. He has a specific word. He wants to speak directly to your spirit. So take a deep breath, quiet your mind, and receive what He has for you. Heaven sees the battle behind your smile. It sees the strength it takes for you to simply get through the day. Every silent prayer, every moment you stood in faith when you wanted to fall, none of it has been missed. You have been seen. You have been heard. And now the season of silent struggle is giving way to a season of open victory. So right now, we are silencing the voice of the accuser and the whisper of your own doubt. And we are going to agree with what heaven says about you. You are not a victim of your history. You are a pioneer of your destiny. You are not a collection of scars. You are a gallery of His grace. Above all, you are a deeply loved, fiercely chosen child of the Most High God, and the King is fighting for you. And because of who you are, receive this blessing of divine potential. I declare over you the promise that God is able to do immeasurably more than all you could ever ask, think, or imagine, according to His power that is at work within you. That same power that raised Christ from the dead lives inside of you. Therefore, based on that power within you, I declare that every chain of confusion is shattering, and a spirit of divine clarity is resting upon you now. I declare that your God is meeting every need according to His riches and glory. Where there was lack, a holy pipeline of provision is opening. Lack is not your portion. Abundance is your inheritance. I declare divine health and healing over you. By His stripes you were healed. So I command every sickness and pain to leave your body now. Be restored, be renewed, be made whole. I declare that you are surrounded by the favor of God as with a shield. Doors that were once closed to you are now swinging open. You will find favor with God and with men. I speak a cease and desist to every attack against your family and your mind. I declare a perimeter of angelic protection surrounds you. You are untouchable by the enemy. I declare that every dead end is a divine redirection. Every closed door is guiding you to a greater one. A way is being made in your wilderness, and rivers are appearing in your desert. And now, I speak to your future. I declare a divine reversal is coming. The tears you have sown in sorrow, you will reap as shouts of joy. Where there has been loss, I declare a season of supernatural restoration is on your horizon. Where you have experienced shame, God is preparing a double portion of honor for you. Where there has been barrenness, a season of impossible fruitfulness is coming upon you. And where doors were slammed in your face, I declare that gates of influence and opportunity will be opened for you that no man can shut. This is the truth of who you are and what is coming. So I call you to live from this reality. Anchor your soul not to the storm, but to the one who commands the storm. Your part is to give thanks not just for the breakthrough when it arrives, but for the strength you've been given to stand right now. Your praise is the sound of your victory. And now, let this ancient blessing be the seal upon this word. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. May the Lord lift up His countenance upon you and give you peace. Amen. If this declaration stirred your spirit, join our Digital Selah family by subscribing. This is a community of faith. Affirm this word by writing, "I receive it all," in the comments below. Now go and share this message. Be the one who sends the answer to someone else's prayer.